Never! You must choose, Sharp Woody. How shall she die? Sharp?
I'm gonna get you.
Or death by monkeys? Choose! I choose Buzz Lightyear! What? That's not a choice! To infinity and beyond!
Hey, don't worry. I'm fine. Thanks for the lift.
Yeah, I wish they would have done that 10 minutes ago.
I'll save you, Miss Pete! My hero! Thanks, Buzz! No problem, buddy! You should never tangle with the unstoppable duo of Woody and Buzz Lightyear! Oh, no.
Andy, let's go. Molly's already in her car seat.
But, Mom...
Oh, no. Maybe we can fix him on the way.
No, just leave him.
I'm sorry, honey, but you know, these don't last forever.
What happened?
Woody's been shelved. Andy! Woody?
Woody? Honey, are you okay?
Hey, everybody! Andy's back! He's back early from cowboy camp!
Places, everybody! Andy's coming!
Hey, Woody, did you miss me? Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, ride a cowboy. Oh, I forgot. You're broken. I don't want to play with you anymore.
No, Andy, no, Andy, no!